If you're looking for a reliable car in this crazy car market, these are going for about $13,000 to $14,000. It's used. It's got 160,000 miles on it and still performs like it's a brand new car. Very little has been done on maintenance on this. Look at all the room that you get in the back. It's massive. And then if you come over here, back seat is huge. Really good for a family. A little 4-cylinder. And I'll tell you something. If you're looking for a good used car, this should be your gold standard. This should be your go-to car. I believe 100% that this car right here is going to go 250, 300,000 miles as long as the appropriate maintenance is done to it, such as oil changes. The only real issue this car has ever had was with the front end right here, and that just had to be changed out. It was $1,100, but it's not terrifically expensive considering the price of a brand new car. So, would I recommend a Toyota RAV-4? Yes, I'm a Toyota guy. Even though I love Porsches, this thing is just unbelievable. Look at it from every angle. It's absolutely perfect, and it drives wonderfully. So that's the start of it.
We want to introduce our newest sponsor from Cool Gadgets. Cool Gadget brings really cool electronic gear to your vehicle. If you go to coolgadget.com, you'll be able to look them right up. Today we're going to be unboxing their newest vacuum cleaner. It's a portable, lightweight vacuum cleaner. It's easy cleaning for anywhere. It's ergonomic. In addition to that, you can remove dust, clean keyboards, inflate rubber outdoor gear, such as pull floaties and whatnot. And it will extract air from storage bags anytime, anywhere. In addition to that, this is going to last you 26 minutes of cleaning time with USB-C charging and up to 90 days of standby time. And it also has 4-layer filtration with a powerful motor, HEPA filtration, and a tapered seal design for superior dust and debris capture. This is a dry, washable HEPA filter, so you could be reusing it for optimal performance all the time. Unboxing the Cool Gadget vacuum cleaner. This is really sealed very nicely. So you're seeing it for the first time that I am. I'm really looking forward to it, and we'll see how it looks. Almost like Christmas, opening up a new present every day. So it pulls open from here. It comes in this nice little black case. Here's your case. It's really well presented.
Here is the X-Cool by Cool Gadget.
This is your filter. This right here is all of the charging cables and attachments. So it comes with multiple little attachments. And we take it out. And there it is. It is so incredibly lightweight. It's actually lighter than my cell phone. So by simply pressing this button right here, you'll be able to turn it on by holding it. Press it for 2 seconds. 1, 2. And that's got some pretty good suction over there. Picks up the instruction booklet, which is just 1 page. And then if you want to go to super suck mode, even stronger. That's really cool. It has the other filter right here, so you could always just replace this filter with a different filter. This little piece comes off by turning the container this way, and then pop this piece out, put this piece back in, and you can replace it, empty everything out, turn it, put it back on right here, and clip it back in. So the next thing that I want to demonstrate is how powerful this little unit is. And these are some coffee grounds, and this is some coarse salt. So we're going to try it on regular suction mode. Just press and hold.
Our first test was pretty straightforward. We put down some salt and some coffee grounds on this cutting board, and as you can see, it's pulling it up quite nicely. In addition to that, this is just on regular suction mode. So for the first half of the coffee, I decided just to do the regular suction mode, and you'll see it right here, how quick it just pulls it right into the machine. And then you'll take a look in a moment here, and you'll see it really start to suck hard because I put it in super suck mode apparently.
And everything is held on the inside of this container right here, so you just pop this little piece out. Comes out. Give it a twist. pop out the filter, give it a quick little tap. Look how much came out, and there's everything right there. That is a very strong unit. This is going to be amazing for your car. You can see it gets all the little granules. It gets everything that you want it to get. I think this is fantastic. As far as the ergonomics of it go, I would have to say I give this a 5 out of 5. As far as the suction goes, I'm also giving it a 5 out of 5. I think it's fantastic for such a small little unit. Again, this doesn't weigh more than my cell phone does. It's super, super light, super compact, really easy to operate, easy to take everything off and put it back on. So I would say 5 out of 5 for this entire product. Please make sure you go to coolgadget.com and check it out and purchase this. Also go to my Amazon affiliate links, and you'll be able to give me a little piece of the action on this one. It'll be great.
All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to test out the Cool Gadget vacuum on a car, because that's where you're going to be bringing it most of the time. You go to a car show, you want to make sure everything's clean. This car's a little bit dirty on the inside, but let's just see what it can do right here. Look how fast that's just picking everything up. Heavy stuff too. So it definitely picks up everything that you want it to, especially in these little crevices that it's really hard to get in. And what I really like about it, you take that little piece off, and you take out this little extender piece, turn it around, and watch, it blows everything this way. So it acts as a blower as well to get everything out of tight spaces. Look at that, look at the power. That's amazing. And look at that, look how much it took out of that. That's amazing. That's really, truly amazing. So would I recommend a 2008 Toyota RAV-4? And the answer is absolutely, unequivocally yes. This is a fantastic car. It drives nicely, it's got good pickup, it corners well, it doesn't have too many shakes, rattles, or squeaks. I mean, the car, again, has a lot of mileage on it, but it's going to go 250, 300,000 miles. On top of that, what it's going to do is it's going to allow you to have an affordable car payment. This is $13,000, $14,000 on the used car market. And at 140,000, 150, 160,000 miles, it's a reasonably priced car, especially with all the used cars that are out there, selling for, $40,000, $50,000, which not everybody can afford. I'm sorry, they just can't. I think that this is one of those cars that is going to stand the test of time. It already has. It's gone through 5 iterations. This iteration, I think, is one of the better ones. The last iteration, which is just absolutely gorgeous, but it's $60,000 for a fully loaded one, and entry level is right around $33,000. So it depends on what you're looking for. The car drives nice. It is nice. It feels comfortable as you're driving it. And I can't overstate that enough. When you're behind the wheel, you are inspired with confidence as opposed to, oh, is this car going to break down on me? Because simply, it's just not. It's a Toyota, and it lasts a while. And, look at the cornering on it. Now, again, it's not designed for hard corners, but it handles well. It feels like a new car. And at this price point, it's a really good option for those families that are looking for something that's somewhat of a bargain and at the same time super, super reliable. Reliability is key right now. New car payments are $600, $700 a month because interest rates are out of control. When you get an interest rate around 9-10% with really good credit, people who don't have really good credit might be looking, at 18, 19, 20%. So, if this truck, you could get it for between $10,000 and $12,000 and $14,000, you're looking anywhere around $225 to $300 a month to purchase a car. Which, if you service this thing with just oil changes, and that's all I'm saying, just oil changes, and you do a pre-purchase inspection, I will tell you this car is going to last you at least 5 years. It'll get you back on your feet. It'll get you back and forth to work. It's all-wheel drive. It drives solid. There's no issues with that part of it. The other thing that I love about this truck, or car, whatever you want to call it, SUV we'll go with, is it's a good college car. So if your kid's going off to college, it's not going to do 130 miles an hour, so you're not worried about them speeding all over the place. Yes, it has a ton of room in it, so that might be the only detriment because they're going to drive their friends around, but they're not driving around in a car that's a complete piece of crap, and that's a really good thing. So, you know, my review on this car is super short. I recommend it highly. Again, I want to thank my sponsor today for today's video, Cool Gadget, with their awesome So Cool vacuum cleaner, and that's it for me. So if you like this type of content, please make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, and remember, it's about the drive.